Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall discuss on a question related to Gibbs free energy. So let's get started. A voltaic cell is constructed using a silver electrode in a 1.0 molar silver solution and an iron electrode in a 1.0 molar iron solution. The standard reduction potential are as follows. Determine the standard Gibbs free energy change delta G for this reaction. In order for you to answer this question, we need to look at the half reaction given to us. So if you look closely, both are in reduction state. So since both are in reduction, what we are going to do is we are going to find what is the most positive values. So in terms of this is the most positive. So we can say that the more positive it is, it will undergo reduction, and reduction will occur at cathode. Alright, so now we are going to write the half reaction. So we are going to do the anode and cathode. So we shall start with cathode first. So we know that the one that is more positive should undergoes reduction. So silver plus electron. So you will have silver, and there's no changes here, 0.80. And then the other one is anion oxidation. So we need to turn, then you will get your Fe to positive. Alright, so next we need to make sure that the amount of electron used should be the same. So we are going to look upon this. So instead of just one, we need two, right? So here, supposedly at first it's just one electron. So we need 2 times 2 over here. So saying that we will have 2 Ag plus 2 electron, and then you will produce 2 Ag. Right. So and this one, this part, because we change from reduction to oxidation, so it becomes 0.44. Right. So the next up, we are going to do the overall reaction. So the overall you will get Fe plus 2 Ag plus. So basically you can slash these two, and then you will end up having Fe2 plus 2 Ag. So the same goes here. You just need to do the summation of it. So it becomes 1.24. So because the unit is in volt, so 1.24 volt. Alright, so if we look back to the question, it asks you to calculate what is the standard Gibbs free energy. So this is not the final answer just yet. So we need to find what is delta G. Right, so now we need to find what is delta G. So delta G is equivalent to negative N Fe node cell. So basically, what is your N? So your N is the number of electron just now. So we have slash out 2 moles of electron. And then F is a constant value, 96.485 kilojoule per volt mole. And then your E node cell is the one that you have calculated, 1.24 volt. So same thing that we do before, we need to look at the unit. So here you can slash out with this, here you can slash out with this. So you just have to plug in this number into your calculator. You will get 2.3928 times 10 to the power of 2 kilojoule. So which is equivalent to 239.28 kilojoule. So this is the final answer for this question. Thank you very much for watching this video from the beginning till the end. So I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.